Hello everybody, my name is Abakar Abdulkadir. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can make money online through affiliate marketing. All you need to do now is to press the subscribe button which is down below this video, and let's get it done. So folks, what do you understand by affiliate marketing? To my own understanding, affiliate marketing is all about you as a publisher promoting advertisers' offers and you get paid for doing that. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that. So first of all, you need to go to mylead app, mylead website. I prefer mylead because mylead mylead is the best affiliate network for now because they approve people easily and they accept complaints very fast. So all you need to do now is to go to mylead. As you can see now, you go to mylead. This is mylead website, the affiliate network that I prefer, mylead, because mylead is the best affiliate network for now, and they attend to complaints easily and they approve offers very quickly. So you go to mylead. This is mylead. As you can see, this is mylead, mylead.global. This is my own profile, but we are going to log out. We will log out from my dashboard. So you go to create a free account on mylead. You put in your login details, your email address, your password. Then you accept all the consent below. Once you are done, then you start free registration and you wait for approval. So you wait for approval. Once you are approved, you start promoting offers. Once you are approved, you start promoting offers. Then you log in first. You go to login. Then you put in your details. Once you put in your details, then you log in. As you can see, this is my lead. This is my lead, my own personal dashboard. This is my earning. I have $7 for now. So to start promoting offers, you need to apply for offers. You go to campaign, then you go to list of campaigns. There are a lot of campaigns available online. You have to check to see whether the campaign is available for you in your country. You click on a campaign, an offer. So every offer has its own money. So for instance, this offer, you check to see whether the offer is valid for your country. You check if the offer is valid for your country, then you can apply for the offer. So as you can see, this offer is only valid it is only valid for Malaysia. As you can see, the offer is only valid for Malaysia. If you promote this offer, you won't be paid. So you have to check, like for this offer, it's valid for Malaysians only, as you can see. So this marks this. It's only valid for this Malaysia. So you go back and check for available offers that are valid for your country. Let's assume for Nigeria, you check and see the offer that is valid for Nigeria. You will check mostly offers that you can generate sell pay more than offers that your person will just sign up. So first you can generate a sell for an advertiser. Let's assume eBay. eBay will now say that so first you can generate a sell, you earn $50, $100 or more than that. Mostly offers that you can generate sell pay more than offers that person will sign up. You apply for the offer. Once you apply for the, as you can see, you search for the offers that are available for your country. You search for them and see which one is available for the country that you are in. Let's check and see which one is available for, let's assume in Nigeria. You see like this adult pills smart link. These are the offers that are applied. I'm waiting approval. This adult pills is the offer that are applied and I'm waiting for approval. As you can see, this binary crypto smart link, I apply for it. So far as you any offer that you apply for, as you can see, this offer is valid for all countries. This offer is valid for all countries. So you check if it is valid for your country. Like for instance, this one is valid for all countries. You check to see it. So this is the unique tracking link that they gave me after I applied for the offer. So you copy the unique tracking link. You copy the link. This link will enable the advertiser to know that you are the one that promoted their offer. You copy the link address. Once you copy the link address, and as you can see here, this is the visit that I have for this offer. You see everything there. So you copy the tracking link, this unique tracking link that you have been issued after you have been approved for the offer. You copy this unique tracking link. You go to your Facebook account or your Twitter handle or WhatsApp groups. As you can see, I copy this unique tracking link. As you can see, I copied the unique tracking link. I then go to my WhatsApp groups and I then paste it in there. You will now paste your unique tracking link on WhatsApp groups or your Twitter handle or your Facebook account. You will paste it there. So this is my unique tracking link. So for you to know the people that visited your profile, you can download the mylead app on Google Play Store. You will download the mylead app on the Google Play Store. You go to Play Store and you search for mylead app. You search for mylead. This is the mylead app. You click on it. So as you can see, I've already installed it. I will just open the app. So as you can see on the mylead app, this is my earning that I just got for the offers that I promote. On the mylead app, you see the visitors that visited your offers and the earning that you get for each offer that you promote on the mylead app. As you can see, these are the offers that are shared. They are tracking link. These are the visitors that I have for each and every offer that I promoted. And this is my earning. I have $7. So if you are registering on mylead, before you register on mylead, you will first of all put in your details. If you have a blog, you put your blog address. If you don't have blog too, you can go to Blogger and sign up there. You put in your details there before you can start promote offers. So as you can see, if you apply for offer, you will see the offer on your notification bar. If the offer has been approved or is being rejected. If there is any latest information, mylead will send it direct to your dashboard on this mylead app. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye. Until we see you on my next video.